like to help you turn this beautiful little woven basket into a shadow box. The first thing we're going to want to do, once we know what we want to put in our basket, is to secure something on the back so that we can hang it on the wall without breaking the weave of the basket. I would recommend a dowel stick that's no longer than your basket, glued onto your basket and secured until it's nice and tight. Then you can use this to put some hangers on and hang it on your wall, and the entire basket will carry the weight. You can even double it up if you feel like it's not strong enough. Once you've done that and that is secured, you want to decide what you're going to put in your basket. I decided I wanted fruit and leaves in this basket, and so I just kind of played with it for a while until I had what I liked. Once I had my fruit placed in here, it kind of rolls around and it's okay while you're playing with it. I decided that I didn't like the fact that they were all on the same level. So I took a little basket and I set it in here next to the apple to put the pear on, to give it a different height. And then arranged some grapes around it and started putting leaves in the basket. I would recommend that you just play with it, see what you like and how you like it and where you like it. And once you have it the way you would want it, where you would want to put all of your leaves and your fruit, then you need to secure it into your basket to make your shadow basket a permanent thing. These pieces of fruit won't work well by using wire, so you're going to need some kind of glue. To put the leaves in the basket and to secure them, simple Elmer's glue will do. But in order to keep your fruit exactly where you want it, in the position that you want it in your basket, you're probably going to want to use your hot glue gun. So I would recommend getting your hot glue gun and putting it on the basket where you want to secure the fruit, and then putting the fruit or vegetable, whatever you're going to put in there, but put it in there and hold it in the position that you want it to be until it's completely cool. And then you can rearrange it, put it just exactly the way you want, and put your neck piece in. So that is how you can turn a simple little woven basket into a shadow box with fruit and leaves for your wall.